In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to buttons in Webflow, step by step. Whether you're new to Webflow or you're looking to enhance your current projects, incorporating icons into your buttons can give your design a professional edge and improve user interface intuitiveness. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Webflow's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for now, I'm assuming that you already have an account, so we'll proceed to logging in. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Great! Now that you're in, the next step is to access your workspace. Here you'll see a variety of options, including different projects that you've been working on. Go ahead and click on the Dashboard section. This will bring you to a screen displaying all your current projects. Now, locate the specific project you'd like to add icons to. If this is your first time doing this, you might want to make a test project just to practice. Click on the project you wish to work on. Now that you're inside your project, it's time to add elements. In the Webflow interface, either to the left or right, you'll see a panel with various features. Locate and click on the section labeled Add Elements. Webflow offers a range of components, but for today, we'll focus on buttons. Within the Elements panel, there's a search feature that makes finding what you need incredibly efficient. Type Button into the search bar, and you should see an option for adding a button to your canvas. Click on it to insert the button into your project. Once your button is placed, adding an icon is simple. In your element settings or directly on the canvas, you'll want to look for the icon options. This is where you can upload your own icon or browse through any icon library that's integrated within your Webflow account. Icons can be strategically placed on either side of the button text, depending on the design you're aiming for. If it's not aligning well, consider using some of the Webflow alignment tools to get it just right. And there you have it. Adding icons to buttons in Webflow isn't just straightforward. It's an effective way to enhance your site's design and user experience. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to repeat this process in different projects to solidify your skills. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy designing!